Areca-Tree Literary Toolbox.
Conflict.
Hey, gather around and hear about a literal element that's crystal clear. It's called conflict. It's the spice in your game. In every story, it's what sets the flame. Conflict, it's like a storm in the sky. When things crash and sparks start to fly. From challenges faced to battles fought. Conflict keeps the story hot. Earl and Biddy, twin dueling elephants, each secretly strategizing to win. One wants what the other's got. Conflict is what's brewing. Remember, conflict isn't just strain and strife. It brings depth to stories, gives them life. So recognize and learn from it in every way. In the literary world, it's here to stay. Conflict. Conflict. Yeah. In the literal, it's here to stay, to stay. It brings depth to stories, gives them life. So recognize and learn from it in every way. In the literary world, it's here to stay. Conflict, it's like a storm in the sky. When things clash and sparks start to fly. From challenges faced to battles fought. In conflicts. In conflicts. Hey, conflict. Hey, conflict. Hey, conflict. Hey, hey, hey. Gather round and hear about a literary element that's crystal clear. It's called conflict. It's the spice in your game. In every story, it's what sets the flame. Conflict. It's like a storm in the sky. When things clash and sparks start to fly. From challenges faced to battles fought. In conflict. In conflict. In conflict. In conflict. Hey, conflict.